Hello everyone. You might be wondering that why I am holding this screwdriver in my hand. Today we are going to do something interesting. Students, it has been long that we have not done any practical. I know, my dear students, that you always keen and interested for computer lab. So today I will be telling you a practical in which you will learn something interesting. Students, today we will understand practically the installation and removal of a RAM in a PC. But before that, I will explain you about RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a temporary memory and it stores documents and files while we are working on them. RAM is volatile, that is, its contents get removed when power is turned off. So, let's understand the installation and removal of RAM practically. So here you can see we have memory slots. There are two memory slots and here one RAM is attached, and this RAM is attached with the help of these two plastic tabs. So we need to push it very gently, and in this way we push these two plastic tabs. Now we will remove this RAM very gently from the slot. So now you can see here we have a RAM, and this RAM has one notch. There are many pins in this. So RAM is also of two kinds. One is DDR and SDRAM. So it has only one notch. So this is the DDR one. Now we will understand that how we can insert it back to its slot. Now we have to take care of this notch and we have to place it carefully. So now in this way we have to place the RAM back to its slot, and now we have to tighten it with the help of these two plastic tabs from both the sides. So simply in this way, now we have installed the RAM in the memory slot. So students, today we understand practically that how to remove and install the RAM in the memory slot. Thank you.